Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you if your Nintendo Switch 2 game console does have the jack port. Yes, the Nintendo Switch 2 does include a 3.5mm headphone jack on the console itself, along with added audio support via the Switch 2 Pro controller. The Switch 2 console retains a standard port, as I said, near the kickstand, just like the original model. This allows you to plug in the wired headphones or headset directly while in handheld or tabletop mode. The new Switch 2 Pro controller has also built-in 3.5mm jack, a first for Nintendo's official controllers. This lets you connect your wired headset while playing in docked mode and via the controller during game chat or gameplay. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.